Hi kids, this is Bharti जायसवाल teaching you English grammar. इंग्लिश ग्रामर में मैंने आपको नंबर पढ़ाया था क्लास 3 में. टुडे आई विल अगेन डिस्कस नंबर in detail for kids of class 4. So let's start number. You all know that naming words are known as noun. Means a noun is the name of a person, a place, a thing or an animal. You also know that most nouns have a singular form and a plural form. So let's see what is singular number and plural number. You can see that singular means single, one, and plural means more than one or many. So you also know that nouns can name one or more persons, places, things and animals. So when a noun names only one person, place, thing or animal, it's called a singular noun. जैसे गिफ्ट, बॉय, बुक. बट वेन अ नाउन नेम्स मोर देन वन पर्सन, प्लेस, थिंग्स और एनिमल, इट्स कॉल्ड अ प्लूरल नाउन. एज फॉर एग्जाम्पल गिफ्ट्स, बॉयज. मीन्स इफ यू से गिफ्ट, इट शोज दैट देयर इज अ वन गिफ्ट. बट इफ यू से गिफ्ट्स, it shows that there are more than one gift. Similarly, boy is singular and boys is plural. Now we will see that how we can change singular to plural. In your previous classes, you have already learned that generally we add s to make singular to plural. Means we can change most nouns from singular to plural by adding the letter s. जैसे book plus s, books. River plus s, rivers. Means river is singular and rivers is plural. Book is singular and books is plural. Now the next and second rule of making plural is we add es. If the nouns end in s, double s, x, sh or ch, we form plural by adding es. जैसे glass ends with double s, we have to add es to make it plural. Box, we have to add es to make it plural. Box, boxes. Bush, bushes. Church, churches. And similarly bus, buses. All these words are ending with x, sh, ch, s, double s. So to make them plural, we have to add es. Now the third rule is adding ies. Means if I say party ending with y and there is a consonant t before y. So I will say that when nouns end in y and there is a consonant before y, we will drop y and add ies to make them plural. जैसे party, parties. Duty, duties. You know what is vowel and consonant? Vowels are a, e, I, o, u, and other letters apart from these are consonant. Means the 5 letters a, e, I, o, u are vowel, and other than these 5 letters, all the rest alphabets are consonant. Okay. So now clear vowel and consonant. So if the noun ending with y and there is a consonant before y, you have to drop y and then add ies to make them plural. जैसे party, parties, duty, duties, army, armies, story, stories, etc. Again adding s. If a noun ending with y and there is a vowel, अभी आपने पढ़ा ना vowel a, e, I, o, u. All these 5 letters are vowel. So when nouns end in y and there is a vowel before y, add only s to make it प्लूरल। जैसे डे, डे इज एंडिंग विथ वाई एंड ए इज अ वॉवल बिफोर वाई, सो यू हैव टू ऐड ओनली एस टू मेक इट प्लूरल। डे से डेज प्लूरल हो गया, एंड की से कीज। तो A and E both are vowel and the word ending with Y. So days, keys are plural. Similarly, you can convert toy to toys, monkey, monkeys, donkey, donkeys, valley, valleys. So clear? लेकिन अभी आपका ये नंबर मीन्स चेंजिंग सिंगुलर टू प्लूरल ख़त्म नहीं हुआ, अभी और पढ़ना है, बट आई विल डिस्कस अगेन इन माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो. सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू.